A massive asteroid is detected near Earth. Astronomers track its trajectory. Calculations reveal danger. Governments receive warnings. Space agencies prepare response. Public hears shocking news. Panic spreads worldwide. Scientists study asteroid size. Impact predicted unavoidable. Countdown to collision begins. Emergency plans activate worldwide.
Which way to smoke? Keep moving forward to the exits.
People rush to shelters. Sky watchers see incoming object. Governments attempt defense missions. Missiles try to deflect asteroid. Attempt fails to stop impact. Atmosphere begins to burn asteroid. Fireball lights the sky. Shockwave forms in air. Impact becomes inevitable. Asteroid hits Earth's surface. Massive explosion occurs. Shockwave destroys cities. Earthquake shakes continents. Mega tsunamis rise. Forests ignite worldwide. Debris thrown into atmosphere. Sky darkens globally. Temperatures drop quickly. Global chaos begins. Sunlight blocked worldwide. Crops begin failing globally. Food shortages spread. Animals struggle to survive. Temperatures drop drastically. Oceans cool rapidly. Ecosystems collapse. Survival becomes difficult. Civilization struggles to function. Humanity fights to survive. Dust slowly clears from sky. Temperatures stabilize slowly. Plants begin regrowing. Surviving animals repopulate. Humans rebuild communities. Technology slowly returns. Planet begins healing. New world emerges.
Look at this pattern
Humanity
in the flood records.
learns
It matches
survival
the drought cycles
lessons.
from the 1800s. The database confirms it. We need to cross-reference.
Planet forever changed. Scientists track space threats. Planetary defense programs expand. Deflection missions are developed. Nuclear deflection options studied. Early
anomaly
warning
detected. Sector
systems
7.
Analyzing
improve.
trajectory now. Possible intercept. Sat network confirmed. Rerouting probes.
Good. We must align on these
Global
priorities for a
cooperation
unified approach.
increases.
Agreed, but let's review the data first.
The projections support that.
Space monitoring grows stronger. Humanity prepares for future threats. Earth becomes better protected. Humanity secures its future.